So, going to Mod Wash. Just got some idiots here in the road. But going to Mod Wash. This is probably one of the best car washes I've ever been to. Now, normally, if you have an expensive car, I would not recommend taking it because it can scratch up with the brushes. But these are soft touch brushes, and almost any car can go there. Looks like they're a little busy today, but this video will show how good this car wash actually is. So, good news is I don't have to pay out of pocket right now. I pay about $30 a month with unlimited car washes. They just check my license plates. They go by the plates and we just do the car wash. And every time you come in, they give you these fresh new Mod air fresheners that you can hang in your car. I already got a collection of 2. Each time is a different scent. So sometimes it's a good scent, sometimes it's a scent that you don't like. But anyway, it's free every time you come in here. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004 turn right. This particular package, driving a temp in the 6 Series.